Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Journey. In this video we'll discuss about what is Canva. So Canva, you can see that Canva is an online design platform that allow users to create visual content. From the Canva you can create the visual content. Visual content can be poster, it can be slideshows, it can be image, it can be event flyers, it can be resumes, it can be card, certificate, infographics. So from the Canva we can create vast range of the creatives. Canva features has multiple things. Like from the Canva we can do multiple things. This is a drag and drop interface. Like just if you want to add a text, just you can drag and drop. Now 1000 customized template is there, predefined template is there, on that you can work. The ability to upload custom graphics is there, like you can upload your custom photo, your custom creative, your custom video. You can add your custom creative video tools are there, and AI powered efficiency also including. From the Canva you can also schedule the post. Basically from the Canva you can create, you can work on the creation of your designing part, you can editing the your designing part. There are two ways. One is the template based, the second one is the scratch. Like the predefined template is also there, from that you can create your own creative, and from your custom scratch creative you can also create from the scratch. So this is just overview of the Canva. So in the further videos, in the upcoming video, we will discuss like how to master all the elements of the Canva, how we can work on the Canva. So if we see about the benefit of the Canva, so the Canva is popular design tool with many benefits. The first one is user friendly. Like we doesn't need any kind of the tools knowledge to add it. Just it's very simple interface. From that we can, any beginners can also create their creative in Canva. The collaboration is there. Canva tools, on a single poster, on a single creative, you can collaborate with your friends, your partners, and both of them they can work on a single creative. The professional looking at design. So basically in Canva there are multiple predefined templates that is already designed, so we can also use that. So we can say that Canva templates is the predefined, professional looking design. Extensive template library. So the same is like there are a lot of the templates that you can use for agency purpose, for different type of the business purpose. The brand management is there. So basically at a one time you can set up your brand's logo, your brand's font, your brand's color, and that you can use in upcoming designs, in multiple designs. Custom font, like with Canva you can choose multiple fonts. Like you will not stick on singular font, you can choose multiple fonts there. Custom fonts, graphic design also there, photo editing you can do, stock videos you can upload, Canva certification. So these are the main benefits of the Canva that you can use. So basically Canva is the editing or designing tool. From that we can create any kind of social media post, presentation, ads, creative, multiple things we can create or edit in Canva. So let's have a look in the Canva in future further video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question you can ask in the comment section.